Today I'm going to make a no-bake, sugar-free strawberry cheesecake. To do that, I'm going to use a shortbread keto cookie. I'm going to use unsweetened almond milk, sugar-free Jell-O cheesecake, cream cheese, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, fresh strawberries, and unsalted butter. I'll be using 3/4 of a cup of the crushed cookies, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature, 1.5 cups of milk, and a 1-ounce package of cheesecake flavor sugar-free Jell-O instant pudding mix. And I'll be using 2 pints of fresh strawberries, which I will wash and slice. Let's get to it. Using my NutriBullet, I have crushed the keto shortbread cookies. I have melted the butter. And I'm now going to add in the nutmeg and the cinnamon. I'm going to mix this together. And I have prepared a springform 7-inch pan. I've lined the bottom with parchment. I'm going to make this mix, and then I'm going to spread it along the bottom of the springform. Once that's completed, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator while I continue to prepare the cheesecake. Now, normally you would take some of this and spread it along the sides, but I want to have a cookie bottom, so I'm going to keep mine just on the bottom. I'll try to get it as even as possible. And now I'll stick that in the refrigerator and start working on the strawberries. I'm going to start the cream cheese mixture by beating my softened cream cheese. I'm going to be using my KitchenAid, and I'm going to beat it at a medium speed. To scrape down my edges, the sides of the bowl, and then I'm just going to very gradually start to add the milk in. mixture is going to look a little watery. And that will continue until we add in the pudding mix. Add in my pudding mix and beating for about 3 minutes. Is starting to thicken up. So as you can see, the mixture is thickened, and I'm now going to start to put it into the springform pan. So I'm going to put about half of the mixture over the cookie crust. Going to start putting my strawberries onto the pudding. Now I'm going to put the rest of the pudding on top of these strawberries. continue to decorate the top with the remaining strawberries. And now I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator until it sets and chills about an hour. And then I'll take it out of the springform pan. See you back here. To top off this dessert, I've mixed heavy cream, a little vanilla, and Lancanto sweetener, powdered sugar, to make whipping cream. So the whipping cream has peaked, and I'm just going to cover the strawberry cheesecake pie with the whipped cream, just to add a little decoration. So I'm just going to use a piping bag and add a little decoration onto this strawberry cheesecake pie. It really doesn't need it. But just to make it look just a little more festive. Now, I'm going to put it on the serving plate. My strawberry cheesecake pie. I think it's going to be great. I'll take it to my company, see what they say. Bon appetit.